Practice set 3.4 question number 4. In triangle FAN, angle F is equal to 80 degree, angle A is equal to 40 degree. Find out the greatest and the smallest side of the triangle and state the reason. So we know the property. What is the property? Here already it is explained. Already it was explained. What is that? In a triangle, whatever greater length PQR, greater length 12, next 10, this smaller length is 8. So greater length is PQ, so opposite length of PQ is R. So this angle R is greater angle. Similarly, so in this sum, in triangle FAN, angle F is equal to 80 degree, angle A is equal to 40 degree. So this angle also we need. How to find third angle? Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree, correct? So that first we find the third angle. So how to find? Solution. In triangle FAN, angle F plus angle A plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Sum of measures of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So what to do here? Angle F equal to 80 degree. Actually given also we should write first. Angle A is 40 degree plus angle N not given equal to 180 degree. So therefore 80 plus 40, 120 plus N, angle N write as it is. Add these two and write below this plus N as it is, and 180 degree also write as it is. So next, therefore angle N is equal to 180 degree, and take this 120 this side, it becomes negative 120. Therefore angle N is equal to 60 degree. So after finding this angle, now we see this example. In this is 60 degree. So according to the property, side opposite to the greater angle is greatest length, correct? So here we take reverse. What is that? See, what is the biggest angle here? 80 degree. Angle F. So opposite of angle F, the side is AN. So AN is the greatest length. Next degree is 60 degree. So 60 is N, angle N. What is the opposite side? FA, opposite side. Next remaining part is 40 degree. 40 degree opposite side is FN, correct? So accordingly we take here. What is that? Here, therefore angle F is greatest. Angle F is 80 degree, greater. Next 60 degree, that is N. Next will be 40 degree, that is angle A. Therefore opposite side, this is angle, is it? So opposite side of F is NA or AN, we can write. Remaining 2 points is greater. Opposite of N, now leave this N and remaining 2 points F and A, AF. Next, greater than angle A, opposite side should be NF. If you are not understanding this, you can draw this figure and find out. Angle F is 80 degrees, so opposite side is AN. So opposite angle of F is AN. Next angle is 60 degree. So opposite of 60 degrees is AF. AF written here. Next, opposite of A is this, NF. So NF written here. So now which is the greatest length? AN. Therefore you can write here, compulsory to write the property, side opposite to greater angle is greater. Opposite side of greater angle is always greater length. So therefore write the conclusion, side AN is greatest side and side and side FN is smallest side of triangle FAN.